we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
One of the symptoms of the plague was coughing and sneezing, and it is believed that Pope Gregory I, Gregory the Great, suggested saying, "God bless you," after a person sneezed in hopes that this prayer would protect them from an otherwise certain death. The expression may have also originated from superstition.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.